Sairam, dear children of class 5th. Welcome to today's maths class. We will start today's maths class by chanting Omkar 3 times. You can join your hands. Om. 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 Yes, children, I hope all of you are fit and fine and you are happy and staying safe at home. Okay, yesterday we were discussing about in the previous video about patterns. We will study something more about patterns today with the help of a video from Tata Class Edge. Okay, so let us go to Tata Class Edge first. Let me type the school's name. Okay, then username and password. Let me give the password. Let me sign in. Okay, we are about to reach class 5 and we are learning this chapter. Can you see the patterns? Okay, so let us try to get a video about patterns in numbers. Children, yesterday also we discussed patterns in numbers. Today we are going to discuss something more.
Nitin likes to play with his set of Lego bricks. Today, he has made these 4 designs using the Lego bricks. Can you find a pattern in these designs? Notice that the first design has 2 bricks, the second design has 4 bricks, the third design has 6 bricks, and the fourth design has 8 bricks. Can you guess the pattern now? The number of bricks increases by 2 at every step. This means the numbers of bricks in the design are following a pattern. A number pattern is a sequence of numbers that follows a specific rule. For example, the rule in this pattern is that each number is 2 more than the previous number. Now, can you guess the next number in this pattern? To find the next term in this pattern, simply follow the rule and add 2 to the last term, that is 8. Adding 2 to 8, we get 10. So 10 is the next term of this pattern. Next, look at this number pattern. Can you identify the rule being followed in this pattern and find the next 3 terms? Notice that in this pattern, the first 3 numbers, 1, 2 and 3 are being repeated. Such patterns are known as repeating number patterns. So, to find the next 3 numbers in the pattern, simply follow the rule and repeat the numbers 1, 2 and 3. Thus, the next 3 terms in this pattern are 1, 2 and 3 respectively. Next, let us see how to identify the pattern in a set of numbers. The patterns in numbers are created by adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing, or a combination of these operations. To identify a pattern, you have to find the rule by which the next number is generated. This rule can be addition or subtraction, multiplication or division by a fixed number. For example, consider this number pattern. Can you find out how the next number in this pattern is being generated from the previous number? Here, notice that each number is greater than the previous number. So, this can be an addition number pattern. Which number is being added here to get the next number? Since 11 is 6 more than 5, 17 is 6 more than 11, and 23 is 6 more than 17, 6 is the number being added here to get the next number. Now consider these numbers. Can you find out how the next number in this pattern is being generated from the previous number? Here, notice that each number is smaller than the previous number. So, this can be a subtraction number pattern. Which number is being subtracted here to get the next number? Since 50 is 5 less than 20, 10 is 5 less than 15, and 5 is 5 less than 10, 5 is the number being subtracted here to get the next number. Now consider this pattern of number. Here, notice that the numbers are increasing rapidly and each number is much larger than the previous number. So, this can be a multiplication number pattern. Since 6 is 2 times 3, 18 is 6 times 3, and 54 is 18 times 3. So, a number in this pattern is being multiplied by 3 to get the next number. Finally, let us look at a division number pattern. For this, consider the pattern of number shown here. Here, notice that the numbers are decreasing rapidly and each number is much smaller than the previous number. So, this can be a division number pattern. By which number will you divide each number in this pattern to get the next number? Since 32 divided by 2 is 16, 16 divided by 2 is 8, and 8 divided by 2 is 4. So, a number in this pattern is being divided by 2 to get the next number. Next, let us look at the patterns that involve more than one operation and some special numbers. Sometimes, a number pattern may involve a rule that has more than one mathematical operation in it. For example, consider this number pattern. What is the rule in this pattern? Here, notice that the numbers are increasing rapidly and each number is much larger than the previous number. So, this can be a multiplication number pattern. But there is no number that multiplies 5 to get 11. Now, the multiple of 5 closest to 11 is 10. And 5 times 2 is 10. To get the next number, that is 11, add 1 to 10. This means that each number in the pattern can be one more than twice the previous number. Let's check this rule for other numbers as well. Now, 11 times 2 is 22. And 22 plus 1 is 23, which is the next number. This means our assumption is correct. And 23 times 2 is 46. And 46 plus 1 is 47, which is the next number. Consider these numbers. Do you find anything special about these numbers? Notice that if you write these numbers left to right and right to left, their value does not change. Such numbers are called special numbers. We can create a special number from any given number. For example, consider the number 74. Is it a special number? No, because if we write this number right to left, its value changes and it becomes 47. Now, to make a special number, add these two numbers. Adding these, we get 121. Now, if we rewrite 121 from right to left, we still get 121. So, 121 is a special number. Which numbers will come in the blank spaces? Select on the correct option.
Okay, children, you might have understood addition number pattern, subtraction number pattern, multiplication number pattern, division number pattern, and complex number patterns. Okay, this one we will do later. Did you understand, children? Yes?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, this part we will do later. Okay, so let us log out from here. And now we are going to do some practice of a different type of patterns. There are two different type of pattern. Can you see the page?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is little
Alphabetical pattern.
So far in the video we discussed about number patterns. Okay, and now here we are going to discuss about alphabetical patterns. And one more is there, number alphabetical patterns. Okay, so now we are coming from numbers to alphabets. Alphabets also follow some pattern. Okay, a pattern means it follows some specific rule. You might have understood from the video. A specific rule is there. So we have to identify what is the rule and then follow the rule. Okay, the first question is this, very simple. A. Remember, if capital is used, you have to use capital only to fill up. Okay, and if small letter is used, you have to use small letter to fill up. A, B, C. So what is the next? D. But if you write small letter D and small letter D, your answer will be considered wrong. Be careful about that. Okay. So what is the rule you understood? Same alphabet is repeating in that sequence only. A, B, C sequence. So next in the sequence is D, and D will be repeating. That is the rule. Okay. Now going to the second question. Z capital, Y, X. What do you feel here? Is it the number is in the reverse? Sorry, the alphabet is in the reverse order going. This is the 26th alphabet, last alphabet of ABCD. Is it not? So it is in the reverse order. Z. This is the 25th alphabet. Y. This is the 24th alphabet. X. So what is before that? It is W. Be careful, write capital.
W.
Yes. If small letter is given, you will write the answer also in small. Okay. Now next is question number 3. E, BC, CD. We can see that A, B in the proper order. Then this B is repeating, then C is added. Then C is repeating, D is added. So in the next dash, D should repeat and E should be added. So what is your answer? D, E. Okay, children, can you follow? Yes. Then A is
Yes, ma'am.
yes. This one you see, you have to from the 3 or 4 given, you have to find out the rule. A Z, B Y, C X. There is another way also. If 2 alphabets are there, you go on reading, keep on reading the first one in the order A, B, C. So what should be the next? D. Then go to second. Z, Y, X. That means it is like this. Z, Y, X. Then what is the next? W. Okay. D,
W.
W. Got it or not? If you get confused to do both together, you first alphabets you see, there will be a rule. Second alphabet you see, there will be a rule. Okay. Then fifth one. A, C, B, D, C, E. Okay, let us go to the first alphabet in each. A, B, C. So what should be the next? D. Then go to the second. C, D, E. Next is F. D, F. DF will be the answer. Here in this all these 5 questions, only alphabets were there. Okay, now next is number alphabetical patterns. That means in the question, number is also there, alphabet is also there. Okay, then alphabets will be following one rule and numbers will be following another rule. So let us try this. A1, B2, C3. By reading 2-3 times, you will understand yourself. Let us see the alphabets. A, B, C. What will be the next? Next will be D. A, B, C. Next is D.
D.
Yes, good. Then number you try. 1, 2, 3. Next will be 4. So D, 4 is the answer. Now let us try another one. J, 23. K, 25. L, 27. Dash. Let us go to the alphabet. J, I, J, K, L. Like that, no? J, K, L. What is the next? M. Now let us try the number. 23, 25, 27. What is this, children? Skip counting. Okay, 23. We leave 24, then take 25. Leave 26, take so 27. So what should we do next? We have to leave 28 and take 29. And
29.
yes, then join together and write M29. M29. The next is 7D, 14F, 21H, dash. Okay, let us go to the number first. 7, 14, 21. Can you find out any rule? Which table it is? It is table of 7. 7 1 is 7. Very good. You are getting it. 7 2s are 14. 7 3s are 21. So what will be the next number? 7 4s are 28. Okay. Then next is D, F, H. Is it in the proper sequence? No. So D, after D, E is missing, F. After F, G is missing, H. So what should we do? After H, I is missing. We have to take J. Okay, then you write together 28J. Got it, children? Okay. Now
Yes, ma'am.
question 4. 200 Z, 175 Y, 150 X, and dash. This type of questions yesterday we practiced. It was for this only. So first let us take the number 200, 175, 150. It is a decreasing series. And how much it is decreasing every time? 200 minus 25, 175, minus 25, 150, and all these numbers are very familiar numbers to you. So what will be the next number? 150 minus 25, 125. Okay. Now let us go to the alphabet. Z, Y, X. It is this one only. Z, Y, X. So there is no alphabet missing in between, but in the reverse order. So before X, W will come. 125 W. Okay. Now fifth one. 1 L. 4 M, 9 N. This one yesterday we learned 1, 4, 9. That pattern yesterday we practiced. Okay. So 1 means 1 into 1. 4 means 2 into 2. 9 means 3 into 3. So what is the next number? 4 into 4. What is 4 into 4? 16. Okay.
16.
Very good. L, M, N. It is going in the proper sequence. L, M, N. Next is O. Children, don't misunderstand. This is capital O. Okay. 0 is like this. Okay. Don't misunderstand and try say it is 160. 0 in typing is like this. This is capital O. So what is our answer? 16 O. I hope you enjoyed these patterns. Today was full of patterns only. So many different types of patterns. Could you follow everything, children? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good,
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
So we are stopping today here. This is too much. So let us wind up the class by chanting Shanti Path. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Okay, children. Bye. Take care. We will meet in the next video.